it's anaconda.com/distribution. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see there are Anaconda installers, graphical installers for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. We will select the 64-bit graphical installer for Mac OS. Let's click that. It will install the package. Typically, by default in Mac OS, the downloaded packages are installed in Downloads folder. Also, the packages, the Anaconda graphical installer package is quite intuitive. We'll see it will guide us through the process of installing. So you can see that it is installed. Either you can double click directly from the browser as it is downloaded here, or you can go to Downloads folder here and you can see that the package is here. Double click the package. Press continue because we want to install the software. Now we'll go through some series of steps as highlighted in this dialog window. Press continue. So these are the packages that are included in the installation already. We will go through specific packages as we move through the Python intro course while going through different subtopics. But for now, let's go with the default installation and the packages that come with this installer. Press continue. Let's agree to the end user license agreement. Press continue. And let's agree to the end user license agreement. You may want to change the install location, but here I'm selecting the default one that it is showing me. You can change the install location here, but I'll install on a specific disk, this one. Continue and press install. So it will ask you for your Mac username and password. Please enter your password and install the software. It will take a while it is installing all the files and the packages. Also make sure if you have already existing Anaconda version, it will also prompt you to update the version. Please follow the instructions on the dialog window. You can use Conda update Anaconda3 in case it is already present. Otherwise, it will take a while in installing the package scripts. Also, if you see on the window here, it will install PyCharm IDE by default with the Anaconda installer. So you may want to use PyCharm during the course, or we will show you today how to use Jupyter Notebook briefly after the installation. Also, you can see that the graphic installers are quite intuitive. It's quite pretty straightforward to install the Anaconda installer. It typically comes with latest version of Python, and here we will be using Python 3.8. Throughout the course, we will also see that we will switch between using command line arguments or the command line window for running Python scripts, or we will also show you how you can run the commands and the scripts on Jupyter Notebook as well. So the thing with Jupyter Notebook is you can check the results in an instant basically. So it's quite easy to fix the errors in case you face any while developing your Python scripts. So if you want also the quick video of tutorial itself, even the Anaconda site where we are downloading our graphical installer also has a 12-minute tutorial that provides an introduction to this tool and the kind of IDEs that the Anaconda Navigator comes with. Also, you will see that Anaconda also comes with its own command prompt from where you can install the packages using pip. So pip3 is the default one with this version. So it's you can see that it's installed now. Let's continue, and you can see it comes with PyCharm. It is also installed. Continue. Now close the installer. You can keep the package or you can move to trash, but the package is installed and all the IDs are installed with Anaconda. Now let's go to our terminal. You can also access the terminal by going to applications from Finder on your Mac OS. Otherwise, I have it pinned on my menu bar at the bottom, so I'll go there. And here let's see if let me show you how you can go to through applications as well. So let's go through applications. Now you see that there is Anaconda Navigator which we just installed. You can double click here. It opens up the Anaconda Navigator and the installed IDEs. From there we can open Jupyter Notebook or Spider. In this tutorial I am opening Jupyter Notebook. So let's launch. You can see all the IDs that are present. Let's launch Jupyter Notebook. So you can see that it opens through command line. It will open in a browser. So there you go. Default it goes to the home page which has desktop documents downloads. Let's go to desktop or wherever you want to create your folder. Here you can either go to your own folder or create a new one. I will create a new folder here. So let's see, it might have created Untitled folder. Yeah, you can see that, right? Untitled folder 1 in my case, because I also created sometime yesterday. So in your case it will be Untitled folder. So you can change the name, or let's keep it for now as it is because I'm briefly showing how to use the installed one. So let's go there and create a new Python file, new Python 3. Let's name the script as, you can rename the script as test script 1. By default it will save as IPYNB, Python Notebook extension. Rename it. Let's go through some basic commands in Python, like using add operator. You can type it and then just run the cell. So these are all called cells in Notebook. You can write even multiple commands, just like you do on command line also, or even in PyCharm. Or let's say import math package. Okay, run this. You can also write multiple things. Say even print, you can write print math dot floor. We'll cover these commands detail in further lectures, but math.floor basically prints the round down version of a floating point number. And math.ceil, similarly, as the name itself suggests, it will write the nearest rounding, the higher number than the floating point. Let's run them. As you can see, you can put multiple lines also here, or you may prefer running entirely different .py file as one cell also. You can do that. So you can see that, right? Math.floor prints the round down version, which is 4.5 typically. Intuition says it should give 5, so math.ceil gives you the 5. So that's how you can run using the Jupyter Notebook. You can use pretty much any Python command in Jupyter Notebook. For now, for this video, I'll stop here and then save this version. You can close the notebook and you can see that the one that you just created is in your folder. Thank you. You can also stop the notebook from here by pressing Ctrl C. It will ask you whether you want to shut down. Let's do yes. So you can close this now. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.